This is how to generate a poster using AI in less than 5 minutes. First things first, head to the site chat.openai.com. Type it the exact way I'm saying it on your mobile web browser. Just type in chat.openai.com. So once you type this in, just simply enter. It's going to take you directly into ChatGPT. Now, once you're here in ChatGPT, you simply want to type in this area where you have the text box, you want to type in generate a poster design for whatever event you have in mind. Basically, what is a poster? A poster is simply a graphic design that shows you the key thing about an event. So you simply want to tell Chat to generate a poster design for my football event tomorrow. This is basically a poster I want to create for a football event tomorrow between KidKes FC and Aisha FC by 4 p.m. West African time. So you simply want to type in every single detail about that poster here. And before you actually type in all those details, you simply want to tell Chat to generate a poster design for, then you can list out all what you want for that particular poster, and ensure you pour out as much detail as you want, including the colors, the type of font, the type of event, the details about the event, the time, and everything about that poster. Okay, if it's going to be a class, you want to type it in. If it's going to be a cooking event, whatever it might be, just type it in. And once you're finally done, you simply want to click on enter, and then in less than 2 minutes, Chat is going to generate that poster design for you. And the best part is the fact that even if Chat generates that poster design for you and you're not satisfied, you can simply ask Chat to regenerate it with a different design or a different color, or to adjust certain things. And yeah, same thing applies. In less than 2 minutes, Chat is going to design the poster for you. You don't have to go through the struggles of using complicated softwares or complicated tools out there to do this. AI is here, and it's time for you to optimize the use of AI. So once Chat has actually generated it, all you simply have to do is to come here to the bottom and download it. You can see it here. This is where you're going to download. Just click on it over here. Okay, and once you click on it, you can simply click on download. And if you guys notice, this poster is a portrait poster, like that is, it is a vertical poster. If you want it horizontal, you want it landscape, feel free to tell Chat to generate a landscape design for you. It's that easy. And like I said, anything you want to create a poster for, just tell ChatGPT. If it's going to be a cooking event, if it's going to be a class event, if it's going to be a tutorial event, if it's going to be a video editing event, whatever it might be, just tell, and Chat is going to generate it for you. And keep telling it to readjust certain things till you get the exact thing you have in your mind. And that's basically how to create a poster using AI. If you surely learned something in this video without wasting much more time, like, make sure to subscribe. If you learned a whole lot very quick in this video, do not forget to subscribe, and also feel free to drop a like on this video. And in case you have other things you want to ask or other questions you want to clarify, feel free to drop it down in the comment section. I am here to ensure I answer every single question you have, and I'll see you guys in our next highly informative video. Thanks for watching.